body,
katawan,
head,
ulo,
face,
muka,
hair,
buhok,
forehead,
noo,
eye,
mata,
ear,
tainga,
nose,
ilong,
mouth,
bibig,
lips,
labi,
teeth,
ngipin,
tooth,
ngipin,
tongue,
dila,
cheek,
pisngi,
chin,
baba,
neck,
leeg,
shoulder,
balikat,
arm,
braso,
elbow,
siko,
hand,
kamay,
finger,
daliri,
nail,
kuko,
chest,
dibdib,
back,
likod,
belly,
tiyan,
waist,
baywang,
hip,
balakang,
leg,
binti,
knee,
tuhod,
foot,
paa,